had to give up who I love just to get what I love. Have you ever felt the feeling when you know everybody watching everything you do, trying to see if you really got it?
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope that you are having an amazing day today. You might be asking yourself, how come I don't upload consistently or do all those things? To start off, I just want to say I use YouTube as a way to just express myself and share my life lessons to, people who are watching this video, right? So many people think that I do just YouTube, but there are other things I do in my life, and it's sort of difficult to just do all of those things at once. So I just try to divide it, and whenever I get the chance, like today, just try to film a video and throw that up for you guys. So without further ado, enjoy. So the reason why you clicked on this video is because you want to be successful at a young age, right? I'm 19, I'm not that old, I'm not that young. I'm just like, I guess, in between, just barely getting there to the adult life. But I've learned a lot. The first thing that I want to share, and this is something that you need to know, is to chase goals and not people. First of all, do not chase people. Do not chase people. I cannot express that enough. Be yourself, chase your goals. If you have goals, if you have 5, 6, 10 goals, go after them, right? Do not wait and don't follow what other people are doing. Try to stay in your lane, try to stay focused. That's something I've done, and it's helped me out a lot. I know many people might say, hey dude, you're crazy, you're doing all of these things, blah blah blah, you're not having fun, you're throwing your life away. Guess what? I may be sacrificing the fun times, but I'm going after my goals. Chasing my goals is what makes me the person who I am, and it makes me proud, it makes me motivated, and I just want to get it done, and I want to keep on moving to the next step. With that being said, do not chase people, chase goals. 2. Find a routine. So for me personally, I go to school, I work, and then I do other small things in between. I want to say, hey, if you're only doing school, that's okay. Do school, and if you have other hobbies, go ahead and throw that in. Go ahead and throw in a job maybe, or just, I don't know, simple small things, right? Just develop a routine and stick to that routine. Obviously, make changes if you see that it's not working, or if you feel like you just need to change, go ahead and do that. That is totally fine. And just try to move forward with that, and hopefully it helps out, and hopefully you can get to the next step. This one just comes from the heart. Stay determined, stay motivated, and stay committed, all right? I don't know how many people out here see that they want to do this, they want to do that, and then next thing you know, 2 weeks later, they gave up, right? Like, come on. Try to do something and stick to that. Don't give up. It's gonna be difficult. Nothing is easy, right? You're not gonna be handed $1 million just like that and be rich. It's always good to just keep on hustling, keep on working. Even if you have 5, 10, 20, 50K in the bank, just keep working, right? Stay determined. If you want to start your own business, go ahead and do that. There are going to be failures, there are going to be roadblocks, but it's up to you to stay determined and stay committed. Don't go chasing after what other people are chasing, right? Like I mentioned before, chase your own goals, do your own thing, and just stick with that, right? If you want to do that, go ahead and do it. It's totally fine. You don't have to fit into the crowd. Number 5. So the last thing that you need to do if you want to be successful at a young age is to be yourself, be unique, and do you. Before I developed this mindset, I was always trying to fit in, but it didn't work out. I saw the bigger picture, and I was able to just take a step back and see everything in a bigger way, and from there I decided to just turn around and go my own way, right? So far it's been working out great. I've been doing my own thing, and I truly appreciate every single person who supports me and who agrees with what I'm doing in life. There are many people out there who are still going to be negative and do negative things, say negative things, and just try to bring you down, but that's when you gotta rise up and you gotta keep on going, keep on moving forward, right? One of the things that I learned so far is that it's crazy to think that all the things I said back then and thought about in 2017, 2018, I'm doing it now. It took time, but I was 16 at the time, or somewhere around there, and now I'm 19. I'm doing what I love, I'm moving forward. Opportunities are showing up, and I'm taking advantage of them, right? I'm trying to keep moving forward, and I'm just trying to become a better person each day. And whatever you do, stay motivated, keep grinding, keep hustling, do you, be yourself, be unique, and just, stay in your lane, right? If there's a roadblock, go ahead and face that roadblock, but just keep moving forward. And hopefully you can get to the place where you want to be sooner than later. with that being said, this video's over, so I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
My anger, I take it out all on my bank account, spend it like crazy. Nobody told me that it would all end up just being this way. I'm keeping my head up, I know that I'm gonna see better days. Right place, right time, but I'm not fine.